Hi, today we're going to set up a toggle switch to switch between light and dark modes that will work across many apps. Before you begin, pair the Keyboard Extension app for Windows with the Keyboard Extension mobile app. Unauthorized users cannot create or modify widgets, so make sure you're logged in. Let's create a new widget. And let's pin it right away so we can access it from any app. In the presets, go to the Toggle category. Then add the first preset from the list. We need to link a plugin that will switch Windows theme when we tap the toggle. Select Action, then Tap, and Plugin. Open the list of plugins. Go to the Windows Utilities section. Here, select Theme Switch and Set Theme. Great, now you can switch between themes. Let's configure the toggle so you can see selected theme. For that, we need to configure both toggle states by linking the same plugin. Go back. Select State, then Selected State, and Plugin. In the list, select the same plugin. But this time, we'll need the theme parameter to see current theme. Done! We just need to tweak the appearance of our toggle a bit. Go back in the navigation menu. Select Border, then Color. I'll choose white from the list of standard colors. I covered the features of different palettes in a separate video. Be sure to check it out. Let's go back to customize the text. Select Caption. First, let's increase its size. Then, let's align it to the bottom edge. And let's also set its color to white. Now let's change the text for both states and add different icons. Go back and navigate to State again. Select State 1, which corresponds to the dark theme in my case. So let's pick a suitable icon for it. Let's resize it. And let's change the text to dark. Let's go back. Now select State 0, which corresponds to the light theme, and in the same way, change the text and icon for it. Before saving the widget, all that's left is to rename it. Done! You can save and test it. On the computer, open several apps at once, and tap on our toggle. The theme immediately changed to Light Everywhere. This will work for any app that depends on the selected Windows theme. Let's open the System Personalization settings and select the Colors section here. Let's use our widget one more time. We'll see that it doesn't affect a specific app, but rather this setting in the System settings. Check out my other tutorials as well. In them, I cover the rest of the useful features of Keyboard Extension.